Next is never try to understand what we read. So this is a statement which nobody likes, but actually this is the truth, because understanding is a conscious process. In the sense, thinking that we are understanding is a conscious thing that comes in the way of your actual understanding. Understanding is a subconscious process. It happens automatically. When you are seeing a movie, you don't want to understand anything. When you are reading a novel or a comic book, you are not bothered about understanding, but still you will remember for life. Let me give the best example of going to a trip. Let us say you have gone to a school trip. Even after several years you will be able to remember, not because you have understood the trip, but because you have enjoyed the trip. How many of us will go to a trip and try to understand the trip, saying that okay, bus left. Do we write down? No. We don't even know when it left. We reach a place. How did we reach? What route we take? We don't bother. But the enjoyment can be remembered for life. How is it that yesterday we read something and we can forget today, and not something several years ago and we can still remember it? Basically because you never wanted to understand it, you enjoyed it. So same way, if you are able to enjoy the textbook, you don't have to bother understanding. Because we are bothered to understand, we come in the way of our brain's capability, and we break it every time wanting to know every small thing. So it's like a movie. If you are watching a movie wanting to understand, you will not enjoy the movie. And none of the movies you will go to. Because every movie will become painful for you. And the 2.5 hours you spend in a movie theatre will be like sitting on thorns. Okay. Now we don't even see 2.5 hours going, basically because we are not bothered about understanding. We are just enjoying. So enjoy what you do rather than struggle in doing whatever you do. Now let me give you an example of fishing there. For instance, let us say you go to fish. Okay? Going to fish. What is your job? To understand the fish or to catch the fish?
Catch the fish.
Why don't you understand the fish and come?
Because that knowledge is not necessary here.
You will go hungry. Okay, suppose you are a fish eater. Okay? You have to catch the fish. So what is the fun in understanding the fish and then studying it and then knowing it very well and then coming back without the fish? Fish is not going to be very happy because you have understood it.
Fish
Okay?
will be happy.
If you catch it, it will not be there to be happy. But at least you will be happy because you have eaten something. So studying is like fishing. You are fishing into the textbook to get something, to catch something, catch some idea, catch some concept, catch some notion about what it says, rather than understanding it. I think this example will really explain to you that your job is to just catch. If you go for catching, you will catch something. Because fishing is not that just because you sink in something, immediately a fish will come and say, please take me. No, sometimes you will have to wait for hours. So studying also like that. Keep on fishing, you will catch something. But if you are trying to understand, you feel you have understood, but afterwards when you actually want to recall, you remember nothing. So that feeling of understanding is the one which comes in our way of learning. Okay, next.
So at this point I have one more question, sir. When it comes to the examination point of view, suppose you ask me to write down 8 list of this never, do you think I am going to remember this 8? I will not remember. Although I have enjoyed, I have listened, I have never tried to understand. All the principles I try to follow. But even then, if you ask me to write 8 list, I don't think I will be able to write.
True.
So what is the way to?
Because you are not processed to take it back. You have understood. In a sense, you have enjoyed and you have understood, you know what to do. Okay. But if you have to recall it, that is why that is a different process. Reading to understand is a different process. Reading to recall is a different process. That we have not done. That I will tell you how to remember. Okay? That is a very good question. Because that is 2 things we have to do. One, for our own knowledge we are studying. Second, we have to at least show our proof that we have studied. Because examination we have to write. Somebody has to give us a certificate thinking that okay, we know what they want us to know. For that we have to do a different kind of exercise. This will not help. But without this, that will become very difficult. If nothing is there in the brain, what are we taking it out? That is the problem.